After my last video condoning the mass murder of the internet's favorite animal, a couple of people begged me to ask me if they're okay with me doing another one of these. So today I'm going to talk about a new issue. Juice. What? I said juice. Do you know how much added sugar there is in juice? Alrighty. Edgy jokes aside, today's issue is maths. Now if you just went, yes, fuck maths, then this may not be the video for you, because what I actually want to talk about is this equation here. You may recall this equation going viral sometime last year. So yes, I'm extremely late to the party. But these things pop up on the internet all the time, so I'm just preempting the next one because god damn it, they tick me off whenever I see them. So what's the problem here? Well, this equation seemingly has two answers, depending on what you were taught in school regarding the order of operations. You might have been taught BIMDAS, which stands for brackets, indices, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Alternatively, you might have been taught BIDMAS, in which division and multiplication are reversed. Other equivalent variations include PEMDAS, HEADMAS, BOMDAS, and BODMAS, which are all great, except for BOMDAS, which is illegal on airplanes. So what happens if we apply BIMDAS or BIDMAS to our equation here? Well, first, B for brackets, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, I for indices, which we don't have anywhere. But here's where we run into a problem. This nothing here means multiplication. So, BIMDAS or BIDMAS, do we do multiplication or division first? With BIMDAS, we get 1. With BIDMAS, we get 16. Which one is right? This divided the internet into two groups, those who learned BIMDAS and those who learned BIDMAS. There was a small third group as well, actually. Some people said that the answer is 1 because the B in BIMDAS or BIDMAS means that you should expand the brackets before doing the division. This third group is categorically wrong. The B for brackets means you should evaluate inside the brackets first, not outside the brackets. So which is right, BIMDAS or BIDMAS? Actually, they're both right. But they're also both a little bit wrong.
Plot twist.
Multiplication and division do not in fact take precedence over one another, so if they appear in a string then they should be evaluated in the order that they're written. This is the same for addition and subtraction. BIMDAS and BIDMAS should actually be written something like this. So is that the answer to the problem then? The division appears first, so the answer is 16? No, because this equation is flawed at a very fundamental level. We do not know if the divisor is this or this, because this equation is essentially written in two different languages.
Double plot twist.
Mathematical expressions can be written either arithmetically or algebraically. Arithmetic notation uses all the symbols for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is completely unambiguous, and BIMDAS applies. Algebraic notation, on the other hand, only uses symbols for addition and subtraction. The times symbol is eliminated completely, and division is replaced with fractions. This too is completely unambiguous, and BIMDAS still applies. Using arithmetic and algebraic notation together, however, is an abomination and I hate it. This equation uses a symbol for division but no symbol for multiplication. If we were to rewrite it arithmetically, it would presumably look like this, in which case the answer would be 16. If we were to try and rewrite this equation algebraically, however, it could be this or this. We have no idea which. This is exactly the sort of ambiguity that mathematical notation was designed to eliminate. So what is the final answer to this equation? 1 or 16? It's both. The equation simply does not provide enough information to know the answer for certain. It's like Schrödinger's cat, which is either alive or dead, but until we check, it can be considered both alive and dead. The answer to this equation is either 1 or 16, but until we have all the information we need, the answer is both 1 and 16. I'm going to call this phenomenon the Schrödinger equation. Yep, that's a good name that hasn't been used already. This equation has two answers because it was deliberately written to be ambiguous. It went viral because it was designed to go viral. The person who wrote it knew exactly what they were doing. And it's fucking disgusting. Unfortunately, viral posts like this highlight a lot of what is wrong with having discussions on the internet. It doesn't stay civil for long. A bunch of people got very passionate about this one equation, and it led to a lot of spirited maths debating. Now I clearly love maths debating as much as the next person, but there's only one place for maths debating, and that's the classroom. Anyway, I could go on, But I think that's the best note on which to end this video. Goodbye.